I am out and about. I've just finished work and I've just popped over to the side of the road to eat some quick sushi. I'm on my way to a board painting evening. So this is like, you know how you have your wall hanging type things that you put on the wall, and anyway, I'll show you later. But I'm excited. I'm going to do that tonight with some friends. So yeah, if I remember, I'll get my camera out and show you as I go. But otherwise, I'll show you the finished project when I'm done. Good evening, friends. I have just been in the sewing room really quick to make myself a bookmark. There we go, very simple. I have started reading again and I'm really enjoying it. I haven't read in so long. I just happened to pop into the library last week and I was looking at sewing books, and while I was there I picked up a couple of fiction books which I haven't actually read for pleasure in so long. And I think that's because when I was studying I just found that doing extra reading was just not relaxing for me because all I did was read. But yeah, I've picked up a couple of books, so I thought I'd make a bookmark because otherwise I've just been using notepaper with scribble on it, and I can get rid of that now. And I can use, oh, what did I just do with it? I'm on my bed. I can use my new bookmark. So, sorry, you're in my hand, so it's going to be a bumpy ride. I don't have my tripod in here because I'm about to go to bed. I'm going to have a quick shower and then curl up and do some more reading. I have just finished reading Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. I didn't think I would enjoy it, but I did. I love Pride and Prejudice. Anything Jane Austen I love. And I just thought I'd give it a go. It was nothing to rave about. It was not the greatest book ever, but it was a bit of fun and I enjoyed reading it. And now I'm reading a book with short stories, and it's called Christmas in the Countryside, and it's a bit of a romancy sort of thing. And I am in the first, there's 3 short stories, and I've just started reading the first one. And again, very light reading. Like, we're not talking great genius or anything, but I'm enjoying it. It's nice. I think it'll be good to get back into reading a few books. If you have read any amazing books, please let me know what they are, because I will look them up when I'm at the library next, because I just picked these up on a whim. And yeah, I actually have across the street a community library. So my across the road neighbour has built just a little box where people from the community can exchange books. So maybe I might even pop over there and have a bit of a look and see what's there. Tomorrow is my day off. I am hoping to get started with cutting for the tractor cushion, but because there's some pretty big things happening tomorrow, I don't know how much time I'll have, but hopefully we'll get started on that. So tomorrow, my eldest son has got his new wheelchair arriving, which is it's his first electric wheelchair. It's pretty big. We've been fighting for this chair for like 2 years now, so it's nice to finally have it coming. I'm really looking forward to that. It'll just give him so much more independence. And yeah, so that's a pretty big, exciting day. And amongst that, I will hopefully do a spot of cutting. I have already rewritten the cutting guides. The actual pattern itself is quite a complicated read. So I suggest, if you're going to make it with me, print it, download it, print it, and have a bit of a read of it all. I have got hopefully what will be an easier cutting guide. It may confuse you more, I don't know, but I'm finding it easier. So I will attach that when I do the video. So it might make it a bit easier, because there's a lot of, I don't know, it's just not very clear, which is unusual, I think, for a tilde pattern. They're usually pretty reasonably straightforward. But anyway, that's for tomorrow. Right now, it's time to have a shower and get stuck into my book. So I'll see you soon.